Good morning. My name is Karthik, and I am here today to give a presentation on the topic called SpaCy, which is a Python library for natural language processing. Today, I'll be introducing a topic called SpaCy, which is a very powerful and most efficient library for NLP processing in Python. SpaCy is a tool which is widely used and it is open source NLP library which is written in Python. It is designed for speed and efficiency, making it an excellent choice for tasks like information extraction, text processing, and various general NLP applications. So, one of the most standout features of SpaCy is its built in visualizers like SpaCy and SpaCy End. These are the tools which allow us to visualize parts of speech tagging, POS, syntactic dependencies, named entities, and text spans, making it very easier to understand language structures. This SpaCy can be easily installed using pip, which is a Python package manager, and so this installation is highly recommended to install it within a virtual environment just to avoid any conflicts with system wide packages. SpaCy is also very fast and efficient and user friendly NLP library. It is ideal for tasks like information extraction and text analysis. So, even we are beginner or an advanced NLP practitioner, SpaCy provides powerful tools to enhance your workflow. The reason why we choose SpaCy is very speed, it is very accurate, and its design is also user friendly. It was built for various real world applications and research, making it a preferred choice among NLP professionals. So it is since it is written in Python for high performance and includes built-in visualizers like SpaCy for analyzing text structures, and also includes parts of speech tagging and named entity recognition. SpaCy is very well documented, which makes it accessible for tasks like text classification and entity recognition. It also provides pre-trained models, reducing development time. And also, the SpaCy installation is very simple. So, using pip and setting it up in virtual environment ensures smooth operation without any conflicts with the system packages. So, since SpaCy is very powerful, efficient, and easy to use, it is making it an excellent choice for NLP projects. Now let's see what SpaCy can do and how it simplifies natural language processing tasks. First one is tokenization, one of the fundamental NLP tasks, and SpaCy makes it easy by segmenting text into individual words, punctuation, and spaces. This allows us to process and analyze words separately, which is essential for many NLP applications like search engines, chatbots, and text analysis. Next one is part of speech, POS tagging. Another key feature is POS. This can SpaCy can identify the grammatical properties of words, such as whether a word is a noun, verb, adjective, or adverb. This is useful for tasks like text summarization, keyword extraction, and sentiment analysis, as it helps us understand the role of each and every word in a sentence. The next thing is named entity recognition, which is one of the most powerful features of SpaCy. It can automatically identify names of people, organizations, locations, dates, and other entities within a text. For example, Apple Inc. was founded by Steve Jobs in 1976. SpaCy would recognize Apple Inc. as an organization, Steve Jobs as a person, and 1976 as a date. This is particularly useful in information extraction, automated customer service, and financial analysis. The next thing is dependency parsing, so which is another advanced feature which analyzes the grammatical structure of a sentence. It determines how words are related to each other by creating a dependency graph. Here, words are treated as nodes, and grammatical relationships between them form edges. For example, the cat sat on the mat. Sat is the root verb, cat is the subject, on shows a relationship between sat and mat, which forms an edge. Now, dependency parsing helps in understanding sentence structure, machine translation, and question answering systems. Another feature is lemmatization, which is an essential NLP feature that reduces words to their base or root form. For example, the words running and ran are both reduced to run. This is useful for improving text search, reducing redundancy in text data, and making NLP models more efficient. Next feature is text classification. SpaCy provides built in techniques for text classification, allowing us to train multiple models to categorize text into different classes. This is useful in applications like spam detection, topic classification, and sentiment analysis, where we determine whether a text expresses positive, negative, or neutral emotion. Another feature is pre trained word vectors. So, these are numerical representations of words that capture their meanings based on context. SpaCy includes pre trained word vectors for multiple languages, allowing models to understand word relationships and similarities, which is crucial for applications like machine translation and document similarity analysis. Next is customization. Um, for example, for more specialized NLP tasks, SpaCy allows custom model training. Here you can train your own models using domain specific data to get more precise results. So, this flexibility makes it useful in areas like healthcare, finance, and legal document processing, where general NLP models may not perform as well. Okay. Next thing is rule based matching. Rule based matching is a technique in SpaCy for extracting structured information from unstructured text. It helps identify specific tokens or phrases based on patterns. For example, you can define rules to detect product names, phone numbers, or specific keywords in legal contexts. This is helpful in automating tasks like contract review or information retrieval, right? These features making it ideal for real world applications. With its speed, accuracy, and flexibility, SpaCy remains one of the best choices for NLP tasks. Now that we have explored SpaCy's features, now let's see how to use it in practice. So setting up SpaCy is very simple and it requires just a few simple steps. First is installation. So SpaCy can be installed using Python's package manager pip with the following command: pip install SpaCy. This ensures that all necessary dependencies are installed. Next is downloading a language model. SpaCy requires a language model to process text. For English, we download a pre-trained model using Python-m SpaCy download Encore WebSM. This small model is efficient and good for most applications, but larger applications with better accuracy are also available. Next thing is importing and loading SpaCy. Once SpaCy is installed, we can import SpaCy and load the downloaded language model with import statement. Import SpaCy and NLP equal to SpaCy.load Encore WebSM. Here NLP is an object and this is now ready to process text. Next is processing the text with SpaCy. To analyze a text, we pass it through the SpaCy pipeline using our NLP object. Doc equal to NLP of example of English. SpaCy is a powerful NLP library or anything we can do. So this doc object now contains structured information about the text such as tokens, part of speech, tags, named entities, and syntactic dependencies. Now let's see example of this in the next slide. Now we can see here there is a text. SpaCy is a fantastic NLP tool. So and that text is stored in the object NLP of NLP. So the document object now contains detailed linguistic information about this sentence. Now next thing is accessing NLP features. One of SpaCy's strength is its ability to extract linguistic insights. We can access individual words, their part of speech, POS tags, and named entity types using a simple loop called for loop. For token in document, print token.text, token.pos, token.n type. This helps us to understand the grammatical structures and meaning of the text. Next thing is customization. So training custom models. If the built-in model don't meet specific needs, SpaCy allows us to train custom models. For example, we can train a named entity recognition model for medical or legal documents by providing labeled training data. And this also supports rule-based text matching. This allows us to define the patterns to extract specific phrases, keywords, or structures data from text. For example, detecting product names or customer complaints in user reviews. Now let's see SpaCy in action for named entity recognition. Here is a simple Python script that extracts named entities from a sentence. So first we import SpaCy, then we load the English language model called ncore WebSM. Then we store the sample text in the text object, and then that text we processed with the SpaCy. Now we print the recognized named entities with using for loop. So this code identifies entities like companies, locations, and dates from the text. And this could give the output as Apple Inc. as recognized as an organization. Mumbai and India are geopolitical entities, so meaning they are locations, and 2023 is categorized as a date. This named entity recognition is useful in various real world applications also, such as extracting company names from news articles, identifying important locations in traveling applications, finding dates and events in historical documents, automating data extraction from resumes or legal contracts. Now here SpaCy processes text and automatically identifies named entities. In the previous example, it correctly recognized as Apple Inc., which is an organization, and it truly recognized which is a company or institution. Mumbai, India is recognized as a geopolitical entity. So which is a location, such as it can be anything such as city, country, or region. And 2023 is recognized as a date, which is a time related reference. Now, why we chose named entity recognition, why that is important? So NER is one of the most valuable tools in NLP. It has practical applications in news and finance, like identifying company names, locations, and financial dates in articles, and identifying healthcare, extracting disease names, patient details, and medical terms from reports, and also legal and compliance, finding important legal entities, contract dates, and regulations in legal documents, and also chatbots and virtual assistants, like recognizing user queries related to people, locations, and events to provide better responses. And these are the key benefits of using SpaCy for NER, like pre-trained models. Those are ready to use without extensive training, and then high speed processing, which are efficient for large scale text analysis. And it is also used better for one of the benefit is customizability. So here we can train models to recognize domain specific entities like product names, medical terms, or legal references, or anything. So with just a few lines of code, SpaCy helped us extracting meaningful insights. from this raw text. So, named entity recognition is a very powerful tool that enables businesses, researchers, and developers to analyze and structure text data very efficiently. And it can also be used in many areas. As we wrap up our discussion on SpaCy, it's very important to highlight why it stands out as one of the most powerful and widely used natural language processing for libraries. It offers a comprehensive, efficient, and user friendly solution for text analysis. Whether you're working on research projects, building AI driven applications, or processing large scale text data, SpaCy provides all the necessary tools to make NLP tasks accurate, fast, and scalable. Now, and one of the SpaCy's greatest strength is its efficiency and its accuracy. Unlike many other NLP tools, SpaCy is optimized for performance. So it is designed for, since it is designed in Python, which allows us to process large volumes of text significantly faster than Python based alternatives, and it is also very accurate with state of the art pre-trained models. SpaCy achieves high accuracy in tasks like part of speech tagging, dependency parsing, and named entity recognition. This combination of speech and precision makes it ideal for both real-time applications and data-heavy NLP tasks. And SpaCy also provides a complete set of NLP tools which can handle everything from basic text processing to advanced linguistic analysis. Some of its most powerful features include tokenization, so which breaks text into words, punctuation, and spaces. Part of speech tagging, identifying nouns, verbs, adjectives, etc., and named entity recognition, so like detecting people, organizations, dates, and places, and also dependency parsing, understanding grammatical structures of sentences. So these built-in capabilities allows developers to extract meaningful insights from text without needing external resources or complex configurations. And, right, and also another key reason SpaCy is widely used is its ease of use and customization options. So the well-documented API ensures that even beginners can get started quickly. The pre-trained language models allow users to perform advanced NLP tasks right away. So for domain-specific applications, custom training is available, enabling the development of tailored models for fields like healthcare, finance, legal, and customer service. So if you need to process legal documents, direct medical terms, or classify customer reviews, SpaCy allows you to fine-tune models for your unique needs. And SpaCy is not just a research tool; it's used in production by companies and recognitions across industries. So like used by news agencies, content analysis, so basically news agencies, media companies to process categories articles, and also healthcare, like help extract and analyze medical records for better diagnosis and treatment recommendation. And then finance and business assists in scanning financial reports and identifying key trends and risks. Chatbots and virtual assistants also, so power AI driven customer support systems to improve user interaction. So the combination of speed, accuracy, and flexibility makes SpaCy a trusted choice for industry leaders, right? So in summary, SpaCy is a very powerful and efficient and user-friendly NLP library. It stands out for its speed, accuracy, comprehensive NLP features like tokenization, deep text analysis, each of use and customizability, like works out of the box while allowing domain-specific tuning. So whether you are a researcher, developer, or industry professional, SpaCy provides the tools to make NLP easy, scalable, and effective. This concludes my presentation. Thank you for your attention.